Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy tickets online for the Filoli Historic House and Garden Tour. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see in the description of this video. So once you open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here. From this home page, we can get started. So first things first, we are going to click the check availability option right here, which is going to enable us to take a look at all of the available dates we have for purchasing the tickets. So let's say we want to purchase tickets for the 10th right here. I'm going to select the date, and then it's going to enable me to select the time slot which suits me the most. On this time, only 10 a.m. is available, so I'm going to select that, and then it's going to enable you to choose what kind of tickets you want. Let's say only one adult ticket. If you need child tickets or senior ones, you can get them as well, and click next to go to the next page. This is the experience page where you can go and take a look at similar experiences you can save money on. If you're not interested, just click no thanks, and it's going to take you to the personal details page. Right here, you can get started filling out your personal details like first name, last name, phone number, and so on. And once you've done so, click the next option to go to the payment page. It's going to open up this payment menu where you're going to see all the payment methods available to you, such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. So what you can do is click on debit and credit card, and this is going to enable you to fill out all the necessary info, whichever option you prefer. And now after filling out the info, clicking the pay button, you're going to make the purchase successfully, and your tickets are going to arrive to your email address that you have used for signing up for your account. So there you have it. Go to the description of the video, find the first link, and get started getting your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.